Welcome to Rancho San Clemente. We are so excited to share this hidden gem with you. Sitting at the top of the ridgeline, just 2 miles to the Pacific Ocean, Vilamoura offers an amazing coastal lifestyle at an approachable price. With breathtaking views from every vantage point in the community, you'll pinch yourself calling this place home. Easy access to miles of trails, Lifetime Fitness and Tennis Club, Lobo Elementary School, Rancho San Clemente Park, and San Clemente's best craft breweries, this neighborhood has it all. Check out our completely renovated 3-bed, 3-bath end unit, including a gorgeous kitchen, new spa-like bathrooms, luxury vinyl flooring throughout, an oversized yard complete with pristine landscaping, and also, this is only one of only 7 units with a full-size driveway. In our opinion, this is the best buy currently on the market. Call us today to schedule a tour of this amazing property.